Are you seeing a bunch of Instagram content that's irrelevant and you want to reset the algorithm? I'm going to show you how you can do just that, so watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. I'm in the Instagram application, and let's say I go over to my Explore page, or I'm simply scrolling through the Instagram home feed and I see content that's not interesting to me, or content that is irrelevant and which I don't like. We can fix this issue by simply resetting our Instagram feed or the algorithm itself. The first thing that you'll want to do is to open your App Store or the Google Play Store and check if you have the latest version of the Instagram app installed on your device. If you see a little update option, then tap on that and wait a couple of seconds until the latest version of Instagram installs onto your device. And this way we'll ensure that we have the latest functions and features in our Instagram app, including the ability to reset the suggested content. Let's then open the Instagram app and then go over to your Instagram profile page. Now we'll have to access our Instagram settings, so tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen, and we're now on our Instagram settings page, which is just what we need. Scroll a bit down until you find this Content Preferences option. Here it is for me, so I will tap on this, and then select the Reset Suggested Content option, which should be at the bottom of the page. You'll then see this page where you will get the information on what resetting the suggested content will do. Essentially, resetting the algorithm will stop showing you content that you've had in your Instagram Explore page. It will show you different topics, and it will become better and better after a certain period of time once it sees what posts you like and interact with. If I tap on Next, it will give me an option to review the people I follow on Instagram, and I can easily open the followers list and remove some accounts which I think may post irrelevant content which I see in my home page. So I'll unfollow some accounts and then go back. Just tap on the Reset Suggested Content option at the bottom, and then our Instagram algorithm will be reset. Thanks a lot for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.